Looking for headphones that truly have it all: sound, comfort, and real noise canceling? Then stick around, because today we're checking out a model that combines all of that in a sleek design. By the end, you'll know exactly whether these headphones are the right choice for you. These headphones are made for people who don't want to compromise on listening quality. Whether you're traveling, working in the office, or relaxing at home, right from the first time you put them on, you'll notice the comfort. The soft ear cushions and lightweight design make it easy to wear them for hours without irritation. And the weight, only about 8.5 ounces, you'll almost forget you're wearing them. And when it comes to sound, Bose delivers as always. The audio is well balanced, with crisp highs, clear mids, and a deep bass that never feels overdone. The active noise cancellation is particularly impressive. The quiet mode completely shuts out the outside world. Perfect for train rides, flights, or open offices. And when you want to tune back in, just press a button to switch to aware mode and hear your surroundings again. You can use the headphones either wirelessly via Bluetooth or with a cable, your choice. The 24-hour battery life is more than solid, and if you're in a hurry, a quick 15-minute charge gives you about 4 hours of music, super handy. On top of that, the model offers smart features. You can fine-tune the sound with the Bose Music app, connect to 2 devices at once, and of course make calls, thanks to the built-in high-quality microphone. Sound good? Then definitely check out the links in the video description. So what are the pros and what are the cons of these headphones? Pros: outstanding noise cancellation, very comfortable fit, strong balanced sound, long battery life plus fast charging, handy extras like EQ adjustment and multi-point connection, flexible use, Bluetooth or wired. Cons: not cheap, priced in the higher range. Bluetooth range could be better. Battery drains faster with heavy use. Only available in black. If you're looking for headphones that can do it all, from powerful sound to effective noise canceling, this Bose model is definitely worth a look. Check out the best deals in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.